What's going on? Beautiful Saturday. Fun lazy day today. Been doing much of nothing really. Just hanging out at the house. Wife and daughter went out having a girls' night. So me and the son are just chilling, relaxing. Not really wanting to do much. He's pretty content with chilling at the house, so that's what we're doing. Figured I'd come outside, see what the temp was like. Earlier today it was pretty warm, but right now it feels fantastic. A little bit of a breeze as well. Not mad about it at all. Might be a good night to just come out and hang out on the back porch, drink a cold beer or something. But yeah, not much else is going on today. Birds making lots of noise. Oh man, yeah, didn't do much today. Might try and go to the beach tomorrow. Told my daughter we'd go, so we need to go. It's been like a month, so usually when I tell her we're going, that usually holds me to it, and I go. I do need to make my weekend Costco trip tomorrow, so I'll get up in the morning, do that, get that over with. Then we can try and hit the beach after that, or maybe we can go in the evening. Usually we get up, go first thing in the morning, but wouldn't mind maybe waiting and going in the evening time. Right now it'd be perfect actually. Sun going down. It's not stupid hot out. I'm digging it. Can handle it right now. Yeah. Oh, and then another week starts. Can't believe we're pretty much through June almost. Well, we got like another week and a half, 2 weeks of June left, if that. 4th of July right around the corner. It's crazy. It's just flying by, it seems like. Can't believe we've been here, 7, 8 months already? Something like that, going on 8. Time is flying by. But it's been pretty awesome. But yeah, not much else is going on. That's pretty much it for today. Hanging out, watched Jurassic Park, Fallen Kingdom. Wife and kids have been on kind of a kick. They've been watching a lot of Jurassic Park. We keep renting them, but I think I had a few downloaded from years ago from something, I don't even know where, but I found them, so we can watch those and not have to keep renting them or whatever. Should have just bought them all on digital whenever we first wanted to watch them, but didn't realize the kids would want to watch them so much. Then again, they are kids, so should have expected that, I guess. But yeah, they're loving them. They're big into dinosaurs right now. There's a show on Amazon Prime. It's called Dana. It is a trippy show. Use green screen dinosaurs and stuff. It's wild. But yeah, I think my daughter watched, I think there's only 10 or 11 episodes of it, and I think she watched over the last 2 days. Watched the same 10 episodes probably 400 times. I could probably rehearse, or not rehearse. I could basically give you a episode by episode synopsis. That's how much we watched it. A lot. But yeah, it's a trip. They use CGI and stuff. The dinosaurs in it are crazy looking. Very colorful. But yeah, I've been loving some dinosaurs right now. Got them a bunch of dinosaur Legos and stuff. I've been playing with them a lot. But yeah, we'll see how long that fad lasts, and then we're on to something else, I'm sure. It's kind of how it goes with kids. But yeah, that's about it for today. Show you a little bit of my view for today. That is the clubhouse. I think it opened about a month ago. I think they finally got it built. I have a zoom lens on right now. Airplane. Lots of airplanes fly out through here. Of course, I think like the whole island's pretty much a flight path, so of course you get lots of planes. But yep, not a bad Saturday evening.